outside of 777 Performance in Arlington, Texas with the Escalade right now, and I'm about to go drive around, just explore Dallas with the Escalade, rocking my Pennsylvania license plate. I'm gonna head over to the Texas School Book Depository and go take a picture there because I want to. So in the meantime, I figured I'd let the GoPro run and show you guys what it's like to drive this thing around on the street. So right now, I'm in downtown Dallas, Texas, like right in the middle of downtown. I was just kind of cruising around, making all kinds of racket, and I pulled over here in this little like loading dock place for this building to stick the GoPro on my windshield. I guess I've never been to Dallas before, but we're gonna go do some sightseeing here, do some tourist stuff because I've never been here before, and I like to drive my race car in places that really shouldn't go, like national monuments. Doing good, made it out, it started. Coolant temp's about 186 degrees. It generally floats in the 180s. I don't know where I'm going. I've only gone down a couple one-way streets the wrong way so far. Actually just once, but it happens to me in cities. I've never been in a handful. I've done it in St. Louis, done it in Denver. It happens. I got no idea where I'm going. I don't know if you can even hear me. But I didn't loosen up these chains up enough in the front, so whenever I hit bumps, it goes like, drops down real hard because there's no extension, there's only compression. Turning left onto Griffin Street. Alright, we're almost there. Oh God. I'm about to turn right on Elm Street. Everybody's looking at me funny. I'm like, why is that so loud? It's bad for the environment. Sometimes I forget to put it in first. I'm still like getting used to it. I'm gonna lean in if I don't know how well you can hear me. I've actually caught myself reaching for a clutch pedal with my left foot sometimes because like in my brain, when I'm in, I have to shift back to first mode. My foot is connected to that. It's pretty weird. All right. Turning right onto Elm Street, right where JFK was assassinated. Everybody's looking. And it appears to be closed. But you know what? I'm just gonna hard park here anyway for a couple minutes because I don't know if there's anybody here to tell me to not to. All right, let's get out and check it out. I just threw it in park right there because there's nobody here. Not in anybody's way. And yeah, why not? I don't think anybody's gonna get too upset about this. I wonder if these bricks are what the road was paved with in 1963. I mean, the road where it happened was over there, but this is just like a little access road. It's now a parking lot. But there's the building right there. Oh my God, a cat. Cat. Kitty. All right, cool. Guess we can't be friends. Sometimes I really wish I had a legitimate camera because that would make an amazing shot right there. And that's where it happened right there. You see the like, little white X on the road. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It's crazy to comprehend that, like, driving through that spot, like, the president died there. Like, it's right there. Like, I've seen the footage, seen the documentaries, all that stuff, but it doesn't really, like, do me much justice seeing all that stuff in, like, the grainy black and white or barely colored footage of the time, because, like, it's not really relatable. But that happened right here. Now that I can, oh, sick wagon, bro. Anyway, now that I can see it, like, it's crazy to think that that's where this was. It's real. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but seeing, like, black and white pictures of stuff doesn't, I don't know, it doesn't really do much for me. I just can't pretend like I'm there because I don't see it in color, obviously. But I don't know, I think you know what I mean. It's hard to picture yourself in that scenario because you can't just turn color off in real life. What I'd really like to do, if I had friends, is drop somebody off up here and have them, like, go stand where Abraham Zapruder was and at, like, daytime, and take a video, and I'll drive through there, like, real slow, so when I'm right over the spot I can take a screenshot of it and then, like, do, like, a then and now, but with my car, because I'm a nerd like that. I like to take pictures of this thing in front of landmarks. I got a picture of it with the barn from Days of Thunder, the car wash from Breaking Bad, Walter's house from Breaking Bad, the jail from the Blues Brothers. There's a lot. I try to stop at, like, these weird places just because it's cool to see. So I actually found some guys walking through here when I was watching traffic who knew who I was. So I was like, yo, we take a picture. So he's standing up where the Zapruder film was, and I'm gonna drive right through there so I can get a screenshot of that spot. He was standing up there. They have the spot marked out. I was actually in the process of filming a video and you walked by. I was like, it's cool, because I was sitting there figuring that out. Right, so I filmed that part. How did it go?
Alright, so this is, I'll try to get it as best I can.
Yeah, you're in the right spot. Sick. That's money.
Oh yeah.
I wish it were daytime, but
oh yeah, it would be way more clear. How much power did you say it has?
I'm not sure. The highest I've dynoed it was 1280, but that was when it trapped 140, and I've turned it up since then. It's been 152. So it's probably more than that by a good bit.
This color's sick on it too.
Yeah, it's pretty insane.
Does it look different in person than it does in pictures to you?
Yes, so very much so, way different.
Because it doesn't pick up with pictures. Like, it looks like blue.
Yeah, I
the
like
orange
this color.
doesn't look like the same. Like, this looks 10 times better than when you see it on TV. Like, just watching it.
That's good, I guess. I don't want to be one of those ones that looks good on TV and you see it in person like, well, that's a pile of shit.
It's a bummer. That is far from it.
Did you recognize it right away when you were walking across the street?
Yes.
Were you like, why is that guy here?
Yes. Well, I was like, there's no way at first, and then I saw you, and I was like, hold on real quick. This isn't even funny. Because, like, I just watch a lot of it, so to see it in person is shocking.
It is kind of crazy.
That's awesome. That's why I like driving around in places. Usually with some highway driving, it's like, well, the window's closed. You can probably hear how loud the fuel pump is. It's the Aeromotive 5.0 brushless gear pump, the intake version. And I actually put Dynamat, the sound deadening stuff, like on the top, bottom, the whole way out the back bumper so I can cruise like this without the rumble. I mean, it's really not that bad. Like with the music on, I can't hear it. So we're doing 72 right now with the converter locked at like 2200 RPM. I got the converter lock up on a switch, so let's unlock it. Now we're at like 24, 25. It's significantly louder. Relocked. Back to 22. Nice rock solid hum. Everything in here works. Even the AC seats. The air conditioning is all there. It's there, but it doesn't work because I haven't wired up the clutch for the compressor to the MS3 system yet. But once I do that, it'll work fine. Like all the HVAC controls still work, the blower motor works, like heated seats, cooled seats, all that stuff is still there. I still got my phone on the aux cord. Like it's a full out bona fide street truck. The fuel pump started doing the old war garble on the highway about 15 miles ago. I was not sure if I was going to run out of gas or not, but I made it. I just kind of want to see if I could make it, because whenever it does the war garbling, does it like that, because it's kind of getting low. I don't have a gauge in this thing yet. I had the sending unit and everything in there, but I never wired it. Just like the AC, go figure. I want to see if I can make it back. So I went 10 miles on the highway after I heard the first war garble. So I'm good. We get some more ethanol here, and then I gotta go get some gas for my trailer generator. Because I don't want to disconnect my truck, so I'll just drive this thing. Because I freaking can. So I know this was kind of an impromptu video, nothing super extravagant, but I hope I gave you a little bit of an insight as to what it's like to drive this thing around. Maybe I could do another video from a different angle, showing you more how like the shifter works, if that's something you'd be interested in seeing. Drop a comment, let me know. When I left the shop here, I did not anticipate that happening at all. That was actually like really cool. Best case scenario. It's really funny how things play out sometimes. And it's even cooler to see the power of the internet in action. Like, I've never been there before. I don't know who those guys are. And they like recognize me and help me out, which is pretty cool. With that being said, if you ever see me somewhere, bump into me somewhere, like, don't be afraid to say something. Like, I'm normal. Might be slightly weirder in person than I am in these videos, just because I'm weird and I might not be anticipating it, but you know, I don't bite. I'll pop the hood, whatever you want, and make sure you subscribe. Leave a comment if you got any questions. Leave a comment if you don't got any questions. Tell me about yourself. What are you doing? Why are you here? Anything like that, I'd like to know. I'll answer you. So yeah, we'll see you.